Hands in the air. Come on, hands in the air. I'm a police officer. I'm not gonna say it again. Put your hands in the air or I will shoot. What are you laughing at? Yeah, I do like video games. Why do you ask? That was a warning shot. I'm not gonna say it again. Get those hands up. Thank you. Was that so hard to do? What do you mean you can't take me seriously? I'm a police officer. I don't look like a police officer? And I don't sound like one? What the hell do you mean? I'm wearing my uniform. And my voice, well, that's not something I can change, can I now? Yeah, I really am a police officer. And you are under arrest. Now turn around. Yes, you can put your hands down now. Put them on your back. Shh, what a hard day of work today.